Yes, you're highly welcome to Frank Collection. We are a boutique outlet that is diversified. We don't concentrate on certain brands of outfits. We go round. Like if you come to Frank Collection, you see we deal with slides, sneakers, nice tops. We also have footwears, drivers. Is it about jeans? We have lots and lots of jeans. We are talking about the latest design in the market. T-shirts, all types. Fitted, slim fit, free size, you name it, we've got it here at Frank Collection. When it comes to your footwears, we talk about palms. That's the work we do. Lovely palms with good quality guaranteed. We also deal with accessories like watches, frames, sunshades, bangles, chain, leather. We also have briefs, singlets, side bags, face caps. At Frank Collection, we are diversified. We don't concentrate on a particular brand of outfit. We go round. So once you come here, it's a one-stop shop. You get everything you're looking for. Nothing is missing. Good sneakers, good head warmers, good pickups, good jackets. You can see this varsity jacket. The quality is top notch. So do your very best to visit us at Frank Collection so that your experience will be wonderful. Frank Collection, as you can see, is not just an online store. We have a physical presence here in Banex Plaza, Wuse to Abuja. And we have 2 outlets. When you come to New Banex Plaza, you can come to suite DSF2 as well as C38, New Banex Plaza. You can also order online from our Instagram page, Frank Collection, one word. We are also present on TikTok. Our WhatsApp status gives you daily updates. You can also order from our WhatsApp. And our contact number, the most important one, which is our WhatsApp number, is 0701 385 3838. I'll mention that again so that you don't get it wrong. 0701 385 3838. Please save that number and let your experience when it comes to fashion be different from whatever you've been getting up to this point in time.